To convert percents to decimals and decimals to percent is really easy. So let's start by converting decimals to percent. Well, a decimal can be written as 0.32, for example. And then we just need to convert that to a percent. And so we move the decimal place 2 places to the right, and we get 32%. And that's really as simple as it is. You can get slightly more difficult ones. Let's say I had 0.4. Well, that moves 2 places to the right, and I need to append a 0 in there, and so that gives us 40%. And if I had a whole number part of it, say 5.32, then 2 places to the right gives me 532%. And if I had just a whole number, then decimal point is hidden right there, and I move 2 to the right. I need to append 2 zeros, so that gives me 700%. And if I had a whole number plus part of a decimal, then 2 places gives me, with the appended 0, 730%. And if I had more than 2 decimal places, let's say I had 0.3752, then that gives me 37.52%. And the last example is if I had, say, 5.123, then that would give me 512.3%. Well, converting percents to decimals is almost exactly the same thing, except we're moving 2 places to the left. And so if I have, say, 83%, there's a hidden decimal point right here, and I go 2 to the left, and so that gives me 0.83. If I have 90%, there's a hidden decimal point right here, 1, 2, and so that gives me 0.9. I could write that extra 0 there, but I don't need to. And then if I have something like 82.7%, 2 places to the left is 0.827. And if I have 0.3%, I still move the decimal 2 places to the left. So 1, 2, I need to append a 0 in there. So I get 0.003 because there's the decimal point ends up right here. And I've got 2 zeros after the decimal point and then my 3. 2 decimal points after the 0 and then the 3. So that's all there is to it. And no matter what we have, if we had 342%, hidden decimal point here, move 2 places to the left, and we end up with 3.42. That's all there is to converting decimals to percents and percents to decimals.